Description: CMS3519 1156-1157 T20 9Hp3 LED. 1. High brightness and energy efficiency. Feature CMS3519 1156-1157 T20 9Hp3 LED with a 6000 KY color temperature. Consume only 1.7W per bulb, providing exceptional brightness while reducing energy consumption. Luminous flux reaches 200 lm, ensuring superior visibility and illumination. 2. Wide compatibility and easy installation. Supports wide voltage input 10 to 30 volt AC, DC for versatile applications. Non-polarity design, allowing easy plug-and-play installation in most vehicles without modification. 3. BA15S second in versatile applications. Compatible with 1156 and 1157 socket, suitable for turn signal blinker lights, backup reverse light, brake stop tail lights, side marker lights, and daytime running lights. 4. Durable and stable performance. Equipped with 9 pieces of high-quality SMD5050-0.2W LEDs. Integrated intelligent IC driver ensures stable performance, prevents overheating, and maintains consistent brightness. 5. Premium build quality. Compact design L35mm x W20mm, optimizing fitment for various applications. Manufactured using high-temperature solder paste and riffle welding technology for a long-lasting and reliable product. Manufactured using high-temperature solder paste and riffle welding technology, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable product. 6. Designed for 24-volt strobe lighting. Since LED bulbs consume less power than halogen bulbs, additional 50W27 ohm load resistors may be needed to prevent flashing or error messages on the dashboard when used for turn signals. Note: please confirm the model and socket specification before purchasing to ensure compatibility.